Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today we have the BK Precision Tone Generator and Tracer Kit, model number 262. This tone generator and tracer kit was released to the market in 2001. I'm pretty sure that you probably can't find this. You may find it on one of the sites, eBay, Amazon. I think you have a better chance probably finding it on eBay, probably more than Amazon. But this was released in 2001, and this is a tone generator. You use this for tracing wires, finding shorts. That's what I would use it for. Before we get started, guys, always I'm asking you to support the channel. If this is your first time, I welcome you. And if you've been here before and you're still with me, I want to thank you. And I'm asking you guys who just the first time viewing to support the channel, and you can do that by hitting that subscribe button right below the screen as you watch the video. Hit you can post a comment or ask a question if you choose to. Also, share the video. All of that kind of stuff is in support of the channel, and it's for free. So if you enjoy what I'm doing, what I like to do, and what my channel is based upon, I like to show or review one-of-a-kind test instruments for electricians or any kind of professional. It has to do HVAC technicians. I love to show one-of-a-kind instruments, test instruments. That's what my channel is based upon. So you may see something new today. Something that you may see a Fluke 289 today, which is, everybody have those today, but then the next day you may see something like this. I have a lot of test instruments, and I just like showing them off. And if you guys love to see it, join the channel. That way you'll be notified when I post the next video, and you'll see what I have next. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. This is, like I said, it's BK Precision. And this thing been out, maybe 22 years now? 22 years ago. And that's the condition that is in. So this is the condition that is in. So guys, look, those of you who use tone, and we call them tone and probe here in the States. Those of you who use them or don't know you could use them, this is a very nice tool. A lot of times you find like datacon technicians having stuff like this, but no, I've had several models of not the BK Precision ones, but I've had Fluke ones, I've had Ideal, I've had this one, and they do work if you know how to use them. They do work. I used to use them a lot on machinery. When I was when I was an industrial electrician, I used to use this a lot on machinery, especially when wires going all different kind of ways in the machinery, and you see where wires start from this end but comes out this end, the other end, or maybe at some unknown spot at the top where you could connect these with the power off, connect these to that wire, and trace that wire down. I used to use this tool helped me a lot. So that's what these are for. You can also use them if you doing a panel and there's a lot of unmarked wires and you want to search it out. You can use this to trace that wire out. So there's a lot of things I can use. This tool is so useful to me. I still use them to this day. I have them in my bag all the time. Let me just show you. I'm turning it on for you guys. Just show you. Let me let you hear the sound. It's really nice. So let me take this one off. I'm gonna pull it away. It's far away. It's kind of, you see it in front of the camera now. So I'm gonna go closer. This is a really nice tool. It's not much of it. It takes a 9-volt battery and the toner as well as the generator. And the wire tracer. It takes 9-volt batteries, and this is a good tool. A lot of you might look at this tool and say, well, it's not a fluke, because I know some of you are branded with flukes, and that's okay. I have no issue with that. But those of you who've been in the field a long time, you know about BK Precision. It's a really good tool. They make some pretty decent test and measurement tools, and this one is no different. So coming up in probably a few, excuse me, I was yawning, a few videos from now, or maybe sooner than that, I'm going to compare this with one of the ones, a model that Fluke has taken over, one of my other toning probes, and we'll just see how this fare out, see which one is the loudest. It's going to be kind of hard to trace wires in here, and I don't want, I don't bring cameras when I'm out doing work, because I'm trying to, the only thing to be on my mind is get in, make my money, and get out. I don't have the time to carry a camera around with me as I'm doing my work in the field. And I'm not going to pay anybody to hold a camera while I do my work and they get paid to do that. No. So, my videos are kind of limited, guys, as far as that's concerned. And as far as the demonstration is kind of limited. So I apologize for any inconvenience that they might, that it might cause you for me not bringing the camera in the field with me. It's all about business in the field. Get it done, get it over with, and leave. Make my money and go. So that's that. So this, this have 2 crock clips, right, as you see. This goes on a ground wire or whatever. This is where the voltage is induced at through this red. And it also have like a telephone RJ40, I think it's RJ40. Well, anyway, telephone connection as well to do datacom wiring. Also toning probe. This is a good tester. And let me see what the other feature is for. We'll try that feature right quick. And I don't know what that one's for. Okay. Okay, this is tone. We know what this one is for. This is a tone. So we know about this one. Okay. So one of them is like for mute. I'm gonna have to read the directions again on this one. But the only one I always used was the tone. So this is a really nice one. So guys, look, don't want to hold you up any longer. Stay tuned. There's gonna be another video coming when I'm gonna compare this with another one that I have, and we'll see how it fares out. So look, thank you for letting me take up your time. Don't forget to support the channel. You can do that right now. Hit that subscribe button, leave a post a comment or a question. Hit the like button, share the video, all of that in support of the channel. Don't forget. All right, I'm calling on you guys to help the channel to grow. I'll talk to you in the next video. I'm out.